In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create 2D drawing into 3D solid. In SolidWorks, there is a command to convert the 2D with its DWG, like from AutoCAD, to convert it into 3D solid model. So click open a document and then change the file types here to DWG. So you can find here you got 2D to 3D. So just click on this one and then click open. Now as we're going to import as a new part, so just click on this one, click next. Now as you can see, there is so many dimensioning here on yellow, which we don't require anymore. So I turn off my dimension and also the depth point. So I just left only with the drawing on its own, and then click next. In here you can add the constraint and also import dimensions if you require to. So I'm going to import this to the sketch. So I just click finish. So you just wait, and there we go. This is our 2D, which is converted into 2D sketch in SolidWorks. Now you can see on the left hand side here, if I move this to the screen, you can see you will have 2D to 3D menu bar. So if this one still not appear, you can right click on the top here, then you can click on this one called 2D to 3D, and then it will load the menu or floating command 2D to 3D. So the next step, say in here, is only the one that is active, which is the front plane. So basically it adds the selected sketch entity to the front sketch of the 3D part. So I'm going to select this as my front. So just left click, highlight it all, and then click front. So that will be the front, and this top one. So I'm going to zoom in and out. I'm going to highlight all of this, and I'm going to convert it into the top. So then it will fall down to become the top. Next one, left click on the screen or click OK. I'm going to select all of this. Then I'm going to place it to the left hand side of the drawing. So I just click. So that will become the left hand side. Change the view to isometric view. So now you can see here that we have three parts. So you can see, look in here. However, if you look in here, that we need to align between this edge to that one and also this edge to this one. So then everything will be lined, and then will be much easier to process the drawing to become solid. So the first one, click on this line. I'm going to turn this one off. Then hold the control on your keyboard. Click this line. The next one, if you see here, there will be alignment. So you click on this one. So you will align it. Click on the screen. You can check this. But rotating this sketch using the middle mouse button. So that is aligned now. This face is also aligned. Next one, I'm going to align this with this line. So I just click on this one. Press your control on your keyboard. Select this. And then click align again. So now everything is aligned completely. I'm going to move this command into the left hand, so then we can have more space. So there we go. I'm going to make it smaller a bit. Right, so now we're going to extrude this sketch. So we're going to do it one by one. Let's just click exit sketch. Now the sketch one, just click on that one. Then click, you can put it in here, so extrude. So I just click extrude. Now I want it to the end of this sketch, so I'm just going to click on the vertex. So I change that one up to vertex, select on this point. As you can see, we extrude up to the vertex of the length, and then click OK. There we go, it's the first shape of it. Next one, we're going to cut using this all, and also the middle one here as well. So I'm going to select one by one first. So I'm going to select this, so I zoom in so you can see. So click on this one, hold your control, select this line, so you can follow this line, like that. Then click cut, this one, or you can select it from here. So click cut, and then you say through all, then click OK. That's the first one. Now you can see that the other sketch is gone, so just click in here, right click and click show, because we're going to use that again to cut for the outside one. So I'm going to select most of the circle, not circle, a line through this edge, all of that, so the outside edges, including on this line, everything, and then we're going to cut deep into that. So I'm going to do it one by one, so slowly, and make sure that you press the Control on your keyboard. So just clicking everything in here, and make sure you don't miss any single line, otherwise you have to start again. There we go. So now we have that. I'm going to click extruded cut. Now we're going to do through all. As I do not want the outside this one to be cut, I want the middle here to be cut. So I'm going to flip side to cut. So that will what I want it to be. So it just cut on that one only, and then I click OK. There we go. Next one, I'm going to create some of this side on here. So I just click again, using Control. So now we have that. Next one, click on this one. Okay. Then click extruded boss or base. Now we're going to use the vertex. So if you click in here, use vertex. So we're going to select the vertex first, with it start from here, and then up to vertex, and then select on this vertex. So you can see here, just left click. So that is the thickness of the extrude. I'm going to make this one a bit bigger so you can see, and zoom to fit. So now you can see here that it will add some materials on that one. So from the vertex, so we click on that one, which is the green, that one, and then up to the vertex, which is the pink one, and that is the result. I click OK. Then I'm going to hide the sketch. Just hide them. Same as this one. Right click and then click this classes or hide. Now we can go to isometric view. Now you can see this is what actually happened. So we convert the 2D into a 3D sketch, and this is what we have as a 3D solid. And that is the end of the lesson on how to convert 2D into 3D.